Hi guys, welcome back. So we are making yogurt today. Start by adding 6 cups of milk into a bowl. Then pour in 6 cups of hot water. Stir thoroughly to combine. After that, add another 6 cups of room temperature water and mix everything together. Now sieve the mixture to remove any lumps. I like to sieve mine twice to get a smooth and perfect texture. Now do a quick finger test. Dip your finger into the mixture and count from 1 to 10. If you can comfortably tolerate the heat, then it's ready for your starter. Take a small portion of milk and add your starter to it. Mix very well, then pour it back into the mixture and stir thoroughly to combine. Cover it properly. Make sure it is well sealed. I covered mine with 2 nylons and then wrap it up with 2 wrappers to keep it warm. Then store in a warm place. It can be kept in your oven, microwave, or on your countertop as long as it's properly covered. I personally used my unplugged fridge. It works perfectly as a warm space. After 6 hours, I brought it out to check the result and voila, it came out perfect. Now, if you are making Greek yogurt, this is the stage where you transfer it into a cheesecloth to strain out the excess liquid. But for this recipe, we are making regular yogurt. So I go ahead and stirred everything until it's smooth and creamy. Next, add your sweetener. I used sugar, although I lost that clip. You can also add any flavor of your choice, vanilla, strawberry, or whatever flavor you prefer. Once everything is well combined, pour the yogurt into your container and store in your fridge or freezer. For me, I made 2 batches, one plain yogurt and the other with strawberry flavor. And trust me, the strawberry one is my kids' favorite. Have you liked this video yet? Have you? Please hit that like button, okay? If this is the first time here, I want to especially thank you for clicking to watch my videos. You're welcome to this beautiful family. And to my returning subscribers who always come back to watch my videos, I love you all. I don't take your love for granted. Thank you so much for always coming back. Bye.